Welcome learners. Today we are going to talk about presentation softwares. Presentation tube is used both as slide presenter as well as screen recorder. Its simplicity is its strength. It is easy and intuitive. It has got a user-friendly design which helps learners and teachers as well as the business professionals to use it. If you want to use presentation tube, go to the presentation tube. You make an account there and you download the software, and once you have downloaded the software, you work on it offline, and once you have prepared your video, then you can upload it again and share the link with others. Visual aids are present in the software which make the presentation tube a powerful tool. The visual aids like drawing board are inbuilt, where a presentation can draw shapes, lines if you want to clarify some concepts while doing his or her presentation. While presentation, the presenters can write something on screen, they can draw, they can highlight to emphasize if they want to emphasize on a particular topic or a concept or an idea. This makes demonstration very clear, and the system synchronizes and generates a complete comprehensive video. The developed video is in .asf format and it can be uploaded on the presentation tube site on your individual account. Presentation tube software can be downloaded from the link being displayed on the screen. So, now we will be working on how to make a presentation using presentation tube software. You have already downloaded presentation tube software through the link which was shown on the screen. So, once you have downloaded and installed the software, it will be visible like this. The symbol will be like this. So, I will click on this, right. So, this is the interface. As you can see, it has got many functionalities: open, record, stop, review, and this is, you can select the camera whether you want to be on this camera or not. Then the brightness, the slides above, and these are the way the video will be. One is when the only the presenter will be on the screen. This is when the slides will also be on the screen and the presenter will also be on screen. Then this is when the only presenter will be there, but we can, and the slides will also be there, and we can move the position of the presenter, and this is when we only have slides on the presenter. So, we will go to open, and then we will like to upload a PowerPoint. As you can see, it allows us to upload any PowerPoint. So, let us go to a PowerPoint. So, I will just go to a PowerPoint, say I will upload, just a minute. I will upload a slide on open. I will upload the slides and see it will get uploaded. It is uploading, as you can see it is processing. See, your slides are imported successfully, it is a big slide. So, this is the one. Whether I want to be on the screen, but that does not serve the purpose, we will have to select the camera, see, but this will not serve the purpose because I want to show the slides. Basically, I want to make a presentation. So, if I try this, I will be on the corner. If I try this, see, I can be moved anywhere. I can be moved on this side, I can be moved this side. So, wherever I want, I can be there. I want to be on the top on the right, so I will be there, or I only want the slides. So, if I only want slides, which is generally people prefer because one is able to see the slides. So, this is how we do it, and then we record it. So, recording is you give a voiceover and then suppose. So, I have started this is saying that level is low. So, would you like to adjust? Yes. So, they want it to be, it is giving me a warning. So, it is 100%. So, now I will record. So, it is giving me clue that now it will start. Yes, it has started. Oh, it's today we will be presenting on open source content educational resources. So, we will be talking about, let us start with what is open source. Open source is a philosophy that promotes free use, modification, redistribution and access to an end's product's design and implementation detail. So, history of open source software is discussed. It started in 1960s and we still talk about open source softwares and open educational softwares, open educational resources. History of open source software is discussed. Then we are further talking about, then open source softwares we are talking about, and then what is the difference between open source softwares. You can go at length explaining it. So, once you have done with it, or you can use other media also within it. Say you want to write, so you can write using this. So, you will get a board also. You can draw also. Say I want to draw, so I want this brush, so I want to write, I will have to select this. Then let me type something. Open educational resources, right? And then if we want to draw something, we will have to select this and then select a brush, and then I can draw a circle, right? And if I want to use the web, I will come to this and I will select this. So, the web functionality, the Google interface opens. If I want to use YouTube, it allows me to use YouTube, and all that can be integrated on one screen, and once you are done away with it, you finish recording. So, once you have stopped, right, you give a file name to it. I will take it on the desktop. I will give a file name to it, say presentation, presentation, sorry, I don't give a gap, presentation tube, and you see it is saved in as .asf file. So, once you have saved it, it sort of congratulates and motivates you. So, okay, then I will exit it. You can review it here also. So, let us review it here. See?
Yes, it has started. Oh, it's today we will be presenting on open source content, educational resources. So, we will be talking about, let's start with what is open source. Open source is a philosophy that promotes free use, modification, redistribution.
Right, once you convinced it, you close it and then you exit out. So, you have so this is one part of it. So, once you have closed it, right, so you go to presentation tube, presentation tube.com, presentation tube, you go to presentationtube.com, you go in and see this is there. So, then or you have already downloaded the software. Now, what you need is you need to make an account here. So, if you do not have an account, you sign up like any other website, you just sign up in a free account. Say if I click on sign up, see sign up is there, I hear, but since I have already signed in, I will just sign it through my account. See, I have gone to my account. So, what I will do is I will go to upload. So, I will go to upload and it will ask me who is the presenter. So, Nisha is the presenter. What is the presentation title? Presentation title is open source software. What is the description? It talks about open source software, because I am trying to show you the process, but description has to be a little larger. Do you want to be a public or you want it to be unlisted? let me public, you can share the link with anybody. So I'll make it public. Select video. So which video? Where did we save it? We saved it on the desktop. So this is the presentation tube video. I'll say open. So see, now this system has recognized, selected the video. Now you will have to start the upload and see, as the internet speed is very good, so it got uploaded very fast. Your speed may not be so fast, but it will get uploaded anyway. So now it is uploaded. Once it is processed, it gives you a link. See, it is taking process, it's happening. See, it's completed. So now your presentation is uploaded. So this is the URL. You can share this URL with others. And once you go to this URL, so this URL, through this, you are running your presentation on the presentationtube.com. But it is also available on YouTube. So if you want to share through Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and other social media, Pinterest, then you can share through this. Otherwise, you can embed your video on Moodle, and you can also go to YouTube. You can take the link from here, or you can take the embed code and embed wherever you want. So I'll just click it. So you click on this, you can copy the embed code and other things. So this is how you can create your presentation using Presentation Tube and then share it with the world, present it anywhere, anytime you want. Another presentation software is Slideshare. It is one of the most popular website or the hosting service for content in the form of presentations, infographics, documents or even videos. The site says discover, share and learn. It was launched in 2006 and has become almost as popular for slide presentations as YouTube is for videos. The content can be embedded in the site itself and can be accessed anytime, anywhere. The website was designed originally to share slides among employees in business. The idea was so appreciated that slides of other areas like education are also uploaded on the site. Later, it also supported uploading of documents, PDFs, videos, webinars, though originally it is a slide hosting service. Slideshare also provides users opportunities to like, comment on, share on social media, even download, but download is not allowed in all the cases, and also to share the uploaded content. It was acquired by LinkedIn in 2012. The site says discover, share and learn to emphasize the spirit of sharing, collaboration and discovering for learning. Let us see how we can run a presentation on Slideshare. So now we will be discussing Slideshare. So just type Slideshare and you click on this and you see a link opens. Go to that, and if it's the first time, you'll have to sign up like in any other website. So since I already have an account, let me just sign through my LinkedIn account. So since I'm already signed in, so I'll just, you'll see I am Bill B. This is my account, Nisha Singh. So and all my uploads, my clipboards, if I've clipped any slide, comments I have made, analytics who has seen my account settings, support and how to log out. So let me see. So you'll see many slideshares. So if I want to, then maybe this is my uploads. I'll go to my uploads and see these are the slides, these are the presentations I have made and uploaded and shared with others. So this is a site where you can sort of upload your presentations and present to others anytime, anywhere. You don't have to carry any laptop. You just put your presentations here and they are available anytime, anywhere. So you just have to click on your presentation and you are ready for presentation. Say this is a presentation or e-content tools. So I'll just go ahead. So I can talk about the types of e-content tools which are available. There are text-based e-content tools available, and so on and so forth. So this is a presentation. This is how you can use Slideshare. There are other uploads also available. So this is since my account, otherwise you can use the presentations made by others also. So as you can see this symbol, that means it is publicly available. But if I make it private, then people will not be able to access it. They will not be able to see it. It will be only visible to me, and you can see the statistics. That means 16 people have seen it and 2 downloads have been there. For this presentation, design, developing and delivering MOOCs, special reference to SWAYAM, 50 people have viewed it and there have been 5 downloads. So I worked on OER, and these are the slide presentations available. So you can use it for distributing it. So how do you upload? You just go to upload. You can select the file, any file which is available on your in your laptop. Say suppose this is I'll select a slide, select a presentation. Say this is on EXE or this is on e-learning, anyone I can select which is my presentation. Don't upload anybody else's presentation. This is a presentation which is available. You have to give it title. It is always better to give a description so that people who are using it, they know about it. It is a category, so many category, automotive, arts and environment and all. So since I am working in education, I'll select education, privacy, public, limited or private. If you make it public, it is discoverable by anyone. Limited, if you give link to somebody, he or she can access it. Private, only to me. So this is a place where you can upload your presentations. At the same time, you may not share with others. So this is like your closet where you keep your presentation. So how you decide is totally up to you. So in the tags, as you know, the tags we give, say e-learning. So the more tags we give, the more keywords we give, the easy will be the discoverability of your presentation. Then once it is uploaded, you publish it. So once you publish it, so it is getting uploaded. So it is uploaded. So I will make it public, or right now I'll make, so let me make it public. Then I'll publish it. So once I have published, I'll have to give a description. It is a e-learning presentation. It gives me spell check also, which helps. E-learning presentation for anyone interested in knowing about e-learning. Right? So I'll publish it. So once it is published, you can see it is available under my account. Only one view, because say download is available. I have made the download available. So by default, it has taken the download available. I can edit it. So if you see that I have chosen a license called CC attribution share alike. If you don't want an OER license, you can also publish as all rights reserved or CC attribution license. So since by default I want it to be CC attribution alike, so that is how it is. And if I want to delete the presentation, I can delete it also. So that functionality is with me, it lies with me, it's my decision. Another way of making or building a presentation is through presentation builder in CMAP tools. CMAP tools are basic concept map tools developed by Institute of Human and Machine Cognition. CMAP software is a result of a research conducted at the Florida Institute for Human and Machine Cognition. It empowers users to construct, navigate, share and criticize knowledge models represented as concept maps. It is a free software and can be downloaded from the link being displayed. You built a concept map first using CMap. Then when you are explaining to your audience, you can make a presentation of the different steps in the creation of the concept mapping. Presentation builder can run also as a slideshow, but we will have to use the CMap tool for that. To begin building a presentation using CMap tools, select tools from the presentation builder. The presentation builder opens to the side of the CMap you are working on. You can create a new presentation by clicking on the New Presentation button. We download the CMap tools using the link which I had already shared with you. So once you have downloaded and installed, there will be a green colored icon, and if you click on this green colored icon, CMap tools will open. So once they open, so you will see something like this. So for making tool is basically for making concept maps, but once you have made the concept maps, you can use it for presentations as well, and it is quite systematic in approach. So I'll just use the file which I have already made. This is a CMap I have already made. So I'll just show you how to make the presentation, how to build a presentation, how to use the presentation builder. You go to tools, you click on presentation builder, and you see this slide is available. So I'll make a new presentation. So the name of the new presentation will be OER. So I am already using a concept map which I have already made. So in this, what happens is you unfold it one by one. So you just have to select the concept you are going to talk about. Say in the first slide I am going to talk about OER. So I will select OER. I will click on this new slide. If you see, add selected CMap items to the new slide. So the new slide contains this. So in the second slide, I want to talk about the kind of media the OER can be. So what I'll do is, I'll select OER, I'll select the arrow also, I'll select the media, and then I'll select this also, this arrow, this node, this arrow, this node, this arrow, this node, this arrow, and this node, and I will go to create another slide. So in the second slide you have this. So now as a presenter, if you want media to remain while you are explaining Creative Commons, let it remain selected, or you don't want the learners to be mixed between the media and the Creative Commons. So you unselect these and you select the third concept which you are going to talk about, or the sub concept to be exact. You will select OER, then select this arrow. So you have to select everything. This is the label, the second part of the arrow, the Creative Commons. So Creative Commons can be the arrow, the node, the arrow, the node, the arrow, the node, the arrow, the node, the arrow, the arrow, node, the arrow, and the node. And you click on the create the next slide. See, 3 slides. So since this is for demonstration only, so we will select the 3 slides only, and see here we can see the preview of the presentation. So preview of the presentation, the first slide will have this, the second will show media. So now the presenter can explain that OER can be of many media. It can be text, audio, image, video, animation. And the third slide talks about Creative Commons, that OER can be explained in terms of Creative Commons. Creative Commons has the BY, the attribution license, BY SA, that is attribution share alike, BY NC, so on and so forth. Since in the concept map we had also included web links, the web links also work in this presentation. So see, I'll click. Say I am talking about the guidelines. So these are the guidelines which are in my computer, and one doesn't have to come out of the system. So these guidelines have opened. So it is taking me to a website, and see the website opens. So this is how you can use presentation builder. So, you want to use it full screen. So, this also is possible. So, I will stop here. So, this is how you can use CMAP tools for making presentations. Now, we will be talking about Google Slides. Google Slide is an example of public cloud and associated with Google account of the users. They can access Google Slides from any computer as this application is cloud based. It further provides option to work even when the user is not connected to the internet by enabling the offline edited option. It has facility of importing PowerPoint files from one's computer system and convert them into a Google presentation. This presentation can be exported in file formats like PDF and can be accessed anywhere, anytime. Now we will be talking about Google Slides. Google Slides is a functionality which is available with your Google account. So I will go to Google Apps, I will click on Slides and see it is opening. So this is the interface. It shows the slides which I had, the presentations which I had made. So it gives me, owned by anyone if I have opened others presentation also, and which are not owned by me. Then last opened by me. So these are the templates. So if I want to make any blank presentation or if I want to make any template, so I can go to template gallery also. See, these many templates are available. So if I want to say use a particular template, so let me use this template, the flashcard template, or I will want to take the book report template. So I will click on this. So it asks about the book title. So I'll give the book title, which is Blended Learning. Blended Learning, and the report, a report by your name. So I'll write my name. I can write my name here. Then the second is about the book, about the title, the book title, the author. Say I'll just take this as the author. The publisher's name, say it is Sage. Sage. Copyright date is 2018. The book title is Blended Learning only. Blended Learning for Flipped Classrooms, right? So this is about the book. So as you see, I don't have to design it. There's already a template available. So summary I can write. I can just replace it. The book is about Blended Learning. Blended Learning. It discusses in detail how blended learning will help in flipped classroom. It will help in learner centered and learner centered teaching and learning. So it also has, I can spell correct. So this is what. Then the next slide is setting. Where did it happen? How about and when? So once you are done with it, so you can, these changes are automatically saved. If I want to make, say I want to make the about, I want to change the color of about, I can go and change the color. So that function, though template is there, but that functionality is available. All changes are saved in Drive. Then I can present it. Either I can click here or I can do Control and F5. So the presentation is there. So it is about the title of the book, Blended Learning for Flipped Classroom. Author is Wendy Writer, publisher Sage, copyright is 2018, and then the next slide, the summary about the book, and so forth and so on and so forth, and so on and so forth. So this is how, and you can share it. It can be private. You can just say I'll want to share it with a colleague, I'll give the name or the address and done. Or I can get a share, it will be shared in my account. So this is how you can work in Google Slides. So today we discussed about the presentation softwares. How by using presentation softwares you can be an effective communicator. You can convey your thoughts, your ideas very effectively through the use of presentation, because you are able to insert the multimedia into it. You are able to insert text, you are able to insert images. So that is the advantage, and as you know, the world is moving toward a visual kind of a learning. So that makes presentation software very effective in your communication. We also saw that there are three basic features of all the presentation softwares. One is the editing facility, the other is the insertion of multimedia facility, and the third is a kind of display facility. So we talked about these softwares. By using these softwares, I hope you will become a very good communicator. Happy learning!